My name's Eric McIntosh. I'm an intern at Madison Automotive Apprentices program, and on this car, I'd have been too many hours in on it until the end. I basically assisted Cole with a lot of the work he was doing, and especially when we installed the powertrain, I played a big hand in that. But the big thing I did was when we got the locks back from the chrome place, we had a place we worked with that has trim parts. They gave us a part pack, and it was completely chrome together. And that was supposed to be the handles and the lock assembly, and it came back chrome together as one piece, so it couldn't even be turned. So my big job that I played in restoring this car was giving it door locks. And as simple as that sound, that was like a 4-day process for me. And so just trying to make sure that we can get it looking as close to normal as it could. Unfortunately, in the end, that was one of the few things that got points off of this car because we weren't able to chrome parts ourselves in the limited time we had. We had to find a way to makeshift chrome the locks and install them so they could be fully functional for the Concord to work. So that took me about 4 days, start to finish. I literally started with a piece of sandpaper and one solid piece of chrome, and took out all the parts that were rusted shut, chromed incorrectly, and absolutely just rendered useless from the process that they'd gone through, and got together just a crazy with a bunch of parts that I could use in putting the car back together. And over the entire process of that, we found out that more and more of those parts were unusable, so I had to completely start over again, probably 4 or 5 times, which is why it took so long. But finally, we were able to get locks on the car, so I hope Shannon enjoys that. The ability to lock his car. So these are the handles and locks that I restored that got incorrectly chromed. You can kind of see pretty easily now, especially now that the door handle's got some use in it, that this is chrome and this is what you can absolutely see a reflection in. And even this lock was able to be installed correctly, but the housing that the lock sits in, this actually moves to open the door. It's just got fake chrome paint around it, so that was what I was working on for a long time. This entire assembly was chromed together so that it couldn't move at all. So that took a long time to fix, and it ended up taking a few tenths of the final score off, working on that one point that we lost, but I think it came out probably as good as it could have given the situation.